Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 bathroom projects. The first project is this ladder hand towel hanger. For this project, we went into the lot next door to grab a branch to use, but you can use any 1-inch dowel from the hardware store. I started by marking the branch in 12-inch sections. Then using a miter saw, I cut on those marks. I used a drill bit that's just slightly bigger than the twine I'm using to hang it to drill a hole on both sides of each branch. I cut a piece of twine longer than what I thought I'd need to put this ladder together. I measured the twine before adding each branch and tied a knot where I wanted it to sit. Once all the pieces of the ladder were together, I just tied a knot on the top to make it easy to hang. For the second project, I repurposed some jars into cute bathroom storage. I started out by cleaning out these jars and removing the labels. I'm not even gonna lie, this was difficult. It probably would have gone better if I had something like Glue Gun to remove the labels, but after lots and lots and lots of scrubbing, I finally got them all off. I used E6000 to glue these little doorknobs that I had lying around the house onto each of the tops of the jars. And once they dried, I painted them using a silver hammered spray paint. The last project I made was a mason jar foaming soap dispenser. I started by spray painting the jar a very light blue. I kept the middle part of the lid on so that paint wouldn't get into it. Then I cut a hole into the middle part of the lid to fit the soap dispenser into. I'm sure there is a million better ways to do this, but I just cut around very carefully until the hole was big enough. Did I mention very carefully? Very carefully. Then using the same hammered silver paint I used before, I spray painted the 2 parts of the lid. Once it dried, I put the soap dispenser and the lid together. I was going to glue them, but it fit snug enough that I didn't have to. Then I filled my mason jar with the soap solution. The way I do it is 1 part soap to 3 parts water. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed these easy bathroom projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video.